everybody, it's Missy Mayhem, and you're watching the Moxi Roller Skates YouTube channel. And in today's episode, we are going to be talking about my favorite pumping! This is for those people that have just found their feet and they want to make their way to a skate park, and you're looking at the mini ramp and you just wonder, how do you get some speed? A lot of people tend to kind of glaze over it, you know, like, oh, let's just talk about stalling, let's talk about a trick. I want to focus and I want to teach you some valuable lessons that I learned about pumping. You ready to go to the skate park? Because I'm ready to go to the skate park. Woo! We're gonna have to change our clothes, because burr. Be right back. Much better. Now let's go to the skate park. Well, let's go on an adventure. Okay, all right, we made it to the skate park. Tip number one, the points of pumping. All right, skaters, so I'm gonna show you a close-up on what exactly I mean. So the points on the transition in which you can gain speed, on this particular ramp, it's a small mini, so there's only really gonna be two spots, one on each side of the ramp. On this side, it's gonna be right about here. And for the other side, it's gonna be right about there. So it shows you exactly where in the transition where it starts to create that incline that you wanna aim for your first pump in and then pump out. Pump in and then pump out. Tip number two is going to be about weight distribution. How should your body be on the ramp, right? First things first, let's find your core. How do you find your core? I got a tip. Everyone knows how to do a crunch, right? We did it all in grade school. So do a crunch. You feel that? Now keep that engaged and come straight back up. Now your core is engaged. Now that you know how to find your core, you're gonna apply that when you're on the ramp. Today. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to hit the comments. I want to hear all of your grand stories, and also let me know if this was helpful. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share, and ring that notification bell for Moxi Skates YouTube channel.